Review of these guys. Puppy. Pay no attention to the floor, it's getting redone. And this guy. This is a pit bull. And that is a pit bull. I've had these for 1 year. This for 1 year. That's for 1 year. I also have the Astro A10s. I've also had those for a year. And I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but probably not. It's collecting gunk like no other. I can clean it like twice a day and it still gunks up. But I've had them for a year and it just recently started doing it. These thumbsticks are freaking amazing. If you like domed ones, which I love. But I just ordered the new Galaxies. Well, not new, but new to me. And this button right here, there's a button here to remap stuff. It was broken. I was about to drop my first V2 and I threw my controller and Astro A10 headset. And it still works. I just gotta pull it up with a knife a little bit, pry it up and then push it down and it'll work. But I usually just keep it in tournament mode because the other modes really don't work on World War II. That's my main game. Oh, whining puppy. But yeah, it just works pretty well. Like I said, I've had it for a year and no problems. Yeah, I threw the Astro headset when I was about to drop that V2 and it was 1 kill off. Threw him. Get off. Oh, Jesus. Lapdog. 70-pound pit bull. Like 120 pounds. Not sure. We gotta take him to the vet. He's got an ear infection. I have a little bit of a cold. But yeah. Oh yeah, it randomly disconnects. So I gotta unplug it, plug it back in, and it'll reset. But it's never done it in game. Maybe once. I can't remember. It's not a big deal. Unless you're playing search, it's probably a big deal if you're on a streak or whatever. But yeah, that's that. Oh, the corners are lifting up kinda. Right here and here, but you know, I've put a lot of hours on this controller. Shh. It's lifting there and here, you know, but it's not bad. I mean, if I needed to or wanted to, I could use this for another 6 months, I bet. You know, just clean the shit out of it every day and then... But I got new grips, new thumbsticks, and Bionic, I think it's the company's called, trigger stops. I have a piece of foam in here, but it stops it okay. But I just need new, I guess. So that'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching.